Welcome to Officer Oil. My name's Scott McAdoo. I'm a police community outreach officer for a local department in Maryland. And outside of police, I support my family as a certified AMSOIL dealer. When I'm not fighting crime, I am fighting friction. So I'm out here splitting a little wood, doing a little trying to eat away at this wood pile. You can see behind me I've got some bigger logs. Was using the saw, but I was running a little low on bar and chain oil. So I thought it'd be a really good opportunity to show off the benefits of the AMSOIL semi-synthetic bar and chain oil. The AMSOIL semi-synthetic bar and chain oil. Now, AMSOIL is a synthetic oil company at heart. However, there's just a few products that we have that are not 100% synthetic, and this is one of them. So it is a semi-synthetic bar and chain. It is absolutely outstanding. It's an all-season formula. Work in the coldest weather, the hottest weather. It has special anti-wear additives, and it's a super high tack formula. I'm gonna zoom in here a little bit so you can see right there, and then flip it over here. But everyone loves, we can see that there. Everyone loves how tacky it is. So this bar and chain oil, it's going to do several great things to help you out. So one, the tackiness, it doesn't fling off the bar and chain as fast, so you won't have to add it as quickly, because it's going to hang on much better. It's going to protect your chain longer. Your chain will last longer. You won't have to sharpen it as often. Your bars will last longer. You can even push a little harder with the bar and prevent the gagging, just the way the advantage you're going to get with the AMSOIL and having the superior lubrication on this. So this is the new bottle. Now I had a couple quarts left of the old package, which is right here. Same outstanding formula, just older package. You may see that on the shelf somewhere, but I'm going to use that up. I've got just 3/10 of a quart here. I'm going to use that up first. All right, let me show you how tacky this is. If you can see that tackiness in the light, how stringy. You can just see that sticking on there. So yeah, super high tack formula. Let me go ahead and get it in here. All right. Get that in. Oh. Wrong one. That would have been a bad day. That is for the gas. Almost. Love how tacky that is. Look at that. Not sure if you can see that in the light. See that shining. All right. All full. Screw this on tight. All right, so what I thought I'd do is I thought I'd fire up the saw and just show you here. I got a board, a clean board, old 2x4, and I'm going to go ahead and sim. Just watch how well it, you can see how well it clings to the bar and it doesn't just fly off. Alright, so you can see my line right here where the bar and chain oil was coming off, but not a whole lot. You don't get that excessive waste that you're going to see with a lot of the other bar and chain oils out there. And that's what you get, that just the special high tack formula is going to keep it on there to keep that chain lubed up, but not be throwing in and wasting it and having to stop and refill and downtime, and we all know that downtime is killer. So let's show you here. You can see just how shiny. It's got a nice shine on that chain. Nice and protected, nice and lubed up. So the AMSOIL semi-synthetic bar and chain oil, it's available in quarts, it's available in gallons, then you move up to 5-gallon pails and even up in bulk in a 55-gallon drum. So whichever is easier. Gallons are really popular with a lot of my landscape and tree companies. Phenomenal protection to keep all that rust and corrosion and everything off your chain. Everything that you're looking for in a bar and chain oil. A lot of people are just use waste oil and everything, and then they're wondering why they're having to put new chains and new bars on, and it's flying off all over the place. It's just not designed for it. This is application specific, and that's what you're going to get with AMSOIL. So if you would like to start protecting your saws, whether you're a homeowner, you just have a small little chainsaw like me, or maybe if you're a homeowner like me and you just need a couple quarts of it or maybe a gallon, and it's probably going to last you years. You can see I'm still working with the old bottles, and you'd like to move forward with AMSOIL, but you'd like to save 25%, well then I highly recommend you join our AMSOIL Preferred Customer Program. And as a preferred customer, you're going to save 25% off the list price, off the retail price shown on the AMSOIL website, as well as receive free shipping on anything over $100. There's several other benefits to the program. Wonderful. Many of my best friends, neighbors, co-workers, my parents, love you mom and dad, they're all preferred customers. If you have maybe a fleet or a commercial fleet, landscape fleet, tree company, something like that, we have an even more advantageous program where you can save 30+% off, or if you have a parts store, repair shop, or something like that as well, a much more advantageous program as well, like the commercial program where you also receive 30% off. But if you'd like to move forward, please follow the link below with officeroil.com, and please like the page, please subscribe. And if you end on the AMSOIL website, or if you talk to the AMSOIL home office, the great folks on the call the call takers, and they ask you how you heard about it, please list my name. My name's Scott McAdoo, and that's MCADOO, and most importantly, my referral number. My referral number 164-9274. Again, 164-9274. That really supports my family, and I certainly do appreciate it. So AMSOIL semi-synthetic bar and chain oil, highly recommend it, love it. It's all I run in my saws. I would never recommend anything that I personally don't believe in myself. But that's what we had today. Officer Oil signing off. Thank you.